Demon's all wrapped up. Me and Mike getting ready to take it on the first drive, data log it, make sure it's all good, and make some first adjustments, and it should be pretty close. So
I'm excited to feel the power on this thing. So let's get to it.
All right, let's go.
Goes.
The concrete compared to asphalt makes such a big difference.
Oh yeah.
Like, it's hot here in the sun, so it's like out there. So
yeah. It gets greasy.
Yeah, I mean, if the road gets real hot, it's not as bad. But you can tell like a dramatic difference if you're doing something. Usually, like it's not hot at night like that, so it cools off. Like things as soon as the sun starts going down, they're all over the road. But this bridge isn't bad at all.
This car hooks so much better than like the Charger and Challengers, the normal ones.
Yeah, I mean it's
the Demon suspension makes that. Yeah, it's crazy. We're so desensitized by all these 1,200 horsepower cars, 1,000 horsepower cars. Most people have never driven anything close to that.
I know. I remember like when I got in, like the first Demon, I was like, this thing's slow as
yeah. So funny, yeah, like same thing like the GTRs and stuff, like stock.
Oh yeah,
dog shit.
Yeah. There's your fuel trim correction. Like 0.6 negative wide open throttle. So I've let it leave like probably pulling between 5 and 7% fuel, since that's an average of all of them. And I'll watch like I don't really go by that at wide open throttle. I'll watch the log of wide open throttle and I'll see which bank was the leanest ever.
Okay.
And I'll make sure that one's pulling at 5%. The other one is what it is.
Yeah, you got done so many of these, you got the base maps pretty close.
Yeah, that way if injectors get dirty or pump gets weaker, it stays in closed loop, so it's going to correct no matter what.
Yeah.
But if it starts off and everything's perfect at 5% to 7% too fat, they can correct at least up to 30% like in a split second.
That's impressive.
Then, yeah, like whatever you set AFR and you put a wideband, it's going to be like flat as nuts. Now the correction to get there might not be, so you just have to tune and correct the correction.
Like flatten the curve a little?
Yeah, well it stays whatever because it's in closed loop, but you don't want it like having to add 20 to get there.
Right.
You know.
You want least amount as possible.
Yeah, I put it like where it's...
Because then if you ever need that 20-30% either way, you got it. Because if that's already maxed out.
Yes, I'll put them all to anywhere from 5 to 8% pulling fuel to get to that. You know, that way, pump's going to get weaker, injector's going to get dirty, so on and so forth.
Give yourself a little leeway.
Yeah. I have no idea where this is going to go. You know, I'm at sea level, so if I'm pulling 5 to 8% now and the car goes to Colorado,
stuff. Feels good.
Yeah.
That is officially a wrap on season 9 and Beyond the build. The Demon is insane, super smooth, drives great. Brenton killed it with this one.
Yeah, I'm super happy with it. Feels super solid, drastically faster than stock. Still retains all the stock stuff, so got all the stock parts. You could easily put it back if you wanted to.
So all that's left to do is it's gonna get tinted, and then next week you guys are gonna be shipping it out to Speed Society so everybody can see it. And that's a wrap for season 9 and Beyond the build. Big shout out to Forza Tuning and Performance. Couldn't have done it without him.
That is a wrap. Time to go to sleep. Thanks for having us out though. Good times. Forza was always a class act. Hospitality was amazing. And now I'm leaving back to San Diego. You can still keep your weather.
Thanks, Brody. See you real, dude.
Have a good one.
Good to meet you.
Poor Sam has to carry everybody's luggage.
Gotta get it all. Life of a cameraman. Alright, dude. Thanks for everything.
Just heard that the Demon's around the corner right now. Obviously, we went out to Forza Tuned and built the thing out there. Myself, Sam, and Mikey. And now it's here. JP Logistics just sent it in its carriage. Oh, it's a sick carriage. All right.
Dude.
That's it right there. That's it. Oh my. Didn't know we were getting it delivered in a Hot Wheels box. Kid in the candy store, but the candy store came to the kid, you know what I mean?
Let's see it.
Digging the red badge.
Yeah.
Better call the newspaper because this thing's black with red all over.
Yeah, the black with the red, it just looks so classic.
Awesome. Thank you. The black tips are,
Yeah.
hello. The whole car is just something sinister about black. It's got a 315 4018 square setup, and they're the actual real Demon tires. And the only factory car that can frickin' do a wheelie that's street legal. It's got the inner chiller, and we kept it super, super collectors. So there's no ported blower, there's no Whipple here. This thing is just ready to go. Bolt on. FBO. Full bolt on. She's a white girl. She's a white girl.
This is the Dodge Demon. If you're not familiar, let me get you up to speed. At the time it was built, it was the quickest production car to ever come from the factory to do the quarter mile. In fact, it was so quick, the NHRA banned it from competition. It also comes with drag radials on all 4 tires, which make it possible for you to leave the line at 1.8 Gs. It's also one of the only production cars in the world that can do a wheelie. And the crazy thing is, we're gonna let one of you guys take it home. That's right, all you have to do is go to speedsociety.com, get signed up, and you'll get automatically entered to win this thing, plus the crate, and 20 grand in cold hard cash. But it gets even better. We're also throwing in 10 additional $1,000 winners to sweeten the deal a little bit. 11 winners, 1 great big prize. Are you signed up to win? Good luck.